Hey guys, Brandon from Great Escapes RV here with a quick tip for safety. So, because we don't use RV tires as often as we use car tires, a lot of times the tread is still really good, but the age of the tire may warrant replacement. What we need to do is we need to find the DOT tag. In this case, it's right here. What you're looking for is DOT, a series of numbers and letters, another series of number letters, but in a circle you'll see 4 numbers. In this case, this tire was made in the 15th week of 2015, making this tire 5 years old. Now the RVIA always suggests replacing your tires between 5 and 7 years. So this one is just on the verge of needing replacement. And again, I hear, Brandon, the tire looks great. It looks amazing. Why would I replace it? Again, we're talking about molecular breakdown over the course of time. No one can see that. I can't tell you what state the inside of this sidewall is in, but I know my tire is 5 years old and I want to think about starting to replace it. This is Brandon with a quick tip for safety.